Hello viewers, before we start, if you want free copy of PDF notes and presentation about mathematics subjects and physics, please visit and send a message on my Telegram account or my email address found in the description box. Thank you. And now, I share to you about units. This is the first part to be studied in physics. We now need to understand the meaning of units of measurement. The measurement involves finding a number that indicates the quantity of an object. A measurement unit is a standard quantity used to express a physical quantity. Let's move to the unit system. What is the unit of system? A system of units is a set of units where certain units are chosen as fundamental and all others are derived from them. That system is also known as an absolute system of units. In most systems, mass, length, and time are considered to be fundamental quantities and their units are called fundamental unit. The following are some systems of units which are common use. In this video, I only took two systems of units, as both are frequently used and are the basic system of units. The first system units is the SI units or the International System of Units. SI units are based on the meter as the base unit of length, the kilogram as the base unit of mass, and the second as the base unit of time. SI units also define four other base units: the ampere, Kelvin, candela, and mole.
SI units were originally based mostly on the properties of the earth and of water. Under the original definitions, the meter was defined to be 1/10,000,000th the distance from the equator to the North Pole along a line of longitude passing through Paris. The kilogram was defined as the mass of 0.001 cubic meter of water. The second was defined as 1/86,400 the length of a day or 1 rotation of the Earth. The definition of the ampere is related to electrical properties, ultimately relating to the meter, kilogram and second. The Kelvin was defined in terms of the thermodynamic properties of water as well as absolute zero. The candela was defined by the luminous properties of molten tungsten and the behavior of the human eye. The mole was defined by the density of the carbon-12 nucleus. Here are the fundamental units used in SI units. Remember the symbol if it is capital letter or small because it is important in defining units of this measurement. So, the first quantity is the length and meter is commonly used in length, then the mass and kilogram is the common use, time is second, temperature is Kelvin, electric current is ampere, luminous intensity is candela, and lastly amount of substance is mole. And let's proceed in the metric system prefixes. Metric system prefixes come before a basic unit of measure to indicate a multiple, or submultiple, of that unit. Prefixes are added as place values are added. For example, adding kilo to the unit meter makes kilometer, or 1000 meters. But adding milli to meter creates millimeter, which means 1/1000th of a meter. Below is a table of the most commonly used metric prefixes that can be added to the basic units of measurement. Metric prefixes are important because recording measures can be easier and shorter. For example, the measure you get is in a trillion seconds, which makes it easier to read and write. We can use metric system prefixes to easily write the measurement of that time. The metric system prefixes are only used in the International System of Units. The second basic system unit commonly used is the English system units. English units are the units of measurement used in England up to 1826, when they were replaced by imperial units, which evolved as a combination of the Anglo-Saxon and Roman systems of units. Various standards have applied to English units at different times, in different places, and for different applications. The British Empire is used their body part to measure because there is no rulers or any device that time. Here are the basic units and quantities used in the English system.